The frames are welded by expert braziers. The finished product is assembled by hand. This London factory rolls out 50,000 fold-up bikes a year. Special editions like the new electric model have been good for business, helping sales and profits ride higher.
Undoubtedly, the biggest market for e-bikes is Europe. So for us, it's very important that we are successful in Germany, Netherlands, France, Spain, Belgium, all the major markets. We wouldn't want, a disruption to the supply chain.
Brompton Bicycles planned early to avoid getting in a spin. Contingencies included stockpiling £1 million worth of bike parts and steel components. And the firm is stepping up a gear.
Brompton has set the wheels in motion for battery-aided bikes like these to make up half the business in the next decade. The goal is to double production in the next 5 years, if Brexit doesn't get in the way.
As the UK opens the door on a new wave of global trade negotiations, businesses puzzle what it means for products, services and people.
I really worry for us and any hospitality business that needs cleaners, where we're going to find the people who want to do those jobs if we don't have talent coming from outside of the UK.
The government has warned there will not be future alignment with EU rules. For firms like short-let accommodation service under the doormat, that could erode opportunities in the UK over time.
It's just not good enough. It's not good enough that there aren't plans. It's not good enough that we're exiting without clarity of what this means for businesses. As we expand to other markets, we don't know what that regulation is going to look like. We don't know whether we're going to have to set up different legal entities, how that's all going to play out.
The UK government says a future trading relationship with the EU will be settled by the end of 2020. But businesses don't want a free wheel to the end of the year. Juliet Mann, CGTN, London.